Hey everybody, I got a little bit of a question for you guys. As some of you may know, there's a 24-hour model build going off. It's usually hosted by the guys on Facebook. What it is done during the 24-hour Daytona race, and has been growing quite a bit in the last few years. The first year I was in it, I think there were less than 200 people that participated. I think last year it was almost 400, if not more. So it's growing quite well. This will be the third or fourth year that I've participated in it. I think last year when I did the 24-hour, I think I was able to finish my build in 12. A little bit less than 12 maybe. And it was one of the Revell SSR trucks. And I think the reason why I got it done so fast is because that kit was designed so well that nothing fought me. I did not have to do a lot of fitting and fixing any of the parts. They just pretty much went right together. And I used lacquer paints. So my first step was I went through everything, cut all the pieces off, the sprues, organized them by colors, and just went out there and hit them with a coat of paint, kind of let them sit up for an hour, and then after that it was mostly assembly. And with one of the modern cars, almost the whole interior is black, so you just have little details here and there. The engine's pretty much one color, so you got nothing but that. But it did turn out pretty good. But my question is now, what kit should I do this year? So I kind of wanted it to be a race car, so I got a few kits that I wanted it to do for the build. So I always have to have a few rules that I try to apply, because I like to get it done in 24 hours. I don't want to be one that does not get it done, even though that's okay, but that's just part of the competition. You want to get done and get somewhere. And I would like to be a race car. Now, two of these kits that I have up here are going to be super easy, and I don't know if I want to, just get it done in 2 hours and say, well, that's good enough. And the two that I'm talking about is this Scarab, I guess you would pronounce it, by Monogram. I don't think it's more than 20 pieces in there. And then the old Monogram Long John, I think this is like 10 pieces or something like that. See, that's the inside of that. So I kind of thought about doing that, and maybe the Scarab car, and doing two. But then I was thinking, well, I got these three that, these two would be pretty close to a full 24 hours to do. And then I put this one in here because this is kind of like that SSR kit. It's about the same era of design. Real good fitting car. It's modern. So you got the body put on, then you got some decals put on. You got some hand detailing of the grill. And the interior is going to be pretty much one color with a lot of different details in it. Even though it's got a lot of parts, it's mostly quick assembly and then painting it and then a final assembly. These ones here, there's a lot more different colors, I guess, to go in it. So you kind of have to worry about paint drying, because that's about 80% of the build is what paint you're using and when it gets done. So out of these kits, This one, Owens Corning, I did buy this one second hand. I didn't really notice at first that it didn't have the decals in it. I kind of got excited about the price and bought it. But this one does not have the Owens Corning decals on, unfortunately. But I did buy some decals a while back. Now this is not even close to the same car, but I figured those would fit. Them are for a Corvette. I don't know how well these decals will work, but I do have those decals, and all these kits are, they're all new and sealed. But so I do have that decal sheet for that. And I was also kind of thinking of painting that yellow and using the extra decals I got from the 2015 Corvette race car and doing that with it and making it look like this with the chopped glass and the roll cage and all that. But I already got a whole bunch of those, so I don't know if I want to do that with that. But that one. This one, it's a really cool car. It's a very basic kit. It says 1965, but I don't think this is from there. But there is no... Okay, so it is 97. So this is a 97 repop. I'm going to say there's no way in hell this is a 65 kit. But as you can see, there's not a lot to it. Easily could be done in 24 hours. It kind of fits the theme. I probably use a blue one coat lacquer from Testors on it. There's no engine to it. So I mean, technically you could probably have this done in 6 hours or so. But so that kind of has me second guessing doing this kit. But like I said, I might do, if I do that one, I'll do that other one too. But I don't know. This one, it's I completely forgot about this, having this kit, but it's kind of cool that trunk opens up and the hood opens up, so you don't have to fabricate to actually get the trunk open. You can just do it from there. But it's a decent sized kit. Got some nice slicks. Nice looking grill. There's a roll cage and engine parts and stuff. Not very many decals in that one. Yeah, I forgot I even had this one. It's a pretty cool kit. It kind of would go well with the other ones I've been doing, the modifieds. Kind of go good with those. I'd have to think of how I'd paint it. I mean, this is a pretty cool paint scheme on the box stock. There's an option. Those colors could be used from that lacquer system or from Testors. That stuff dries real well. It works in the cold, so good option. And then Last but not least, you have this one that's been in my stash for a while. I did open it up just to look at it. I think nothing's glued together. It's like there's the engine pieces. And I don't think I did that. I think the person who gave it to me, their kid wanted to actually build a model. And I really don't know him. And the kid changed his mind. So it was end up somebody that my wife knows. And so they end up giving it to me instead of throwing it away. But there's that one. So let me know which ones you think would be the best ones for the 24-hour group build that's on Facebook. Alright, until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.